3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of filing for a homestead exemption in Georgia. This step-by-step guide will help you save on your property taxes by taking advantage of this exemption. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any crucial details. Let's get started. First, confirm your eligibility for the homestead exemption. In Georgia, you must be the homeowner and occupy the property as your primary residence on January 1st of the tax year for which you're applying. Gather the necessary documents, such as a valid Georgia driver's license or state ID with your property address, proof of residency, and a copy of your property deed, if required by your county. Next, visit the website of your county tax commissioner or tax assessor's office. Each county in Georgia has its own process for handling homestead exemptions, so it's important to follow the specific instructions provided by your county. On their website, locate and download the application form for the homestead exemption. When completing the application, carefully provide your personal details, including your name, property address, and any other required information. Double-check the form to ensure accuracy and completeness, as errors can delay the process. Once the application is filled out, submit it to your county tax commissioner's office. Depending on your county, you may have the option to file the application online, by mail, or in person. Be sure to follow the submission method specified by your county. After submission, your county will review your application. If everything is in order and your application is approved, the homestead exemption will be applied to your property tax bill, reducing the amount you owe. And that's it. Filing for a homestead exemption in Georgia is a straightforward process that can significantly lower your property taxes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.